Something's in the air. Oh, Quick Kennel Meal, the instant dog food mix. You see, when you just add water, Kennel Meal's real meat meal sends out strong meat signals that dogs just can't resist. As for flavor, well, actions speak louder than words. Note the texture of new Quick Kennel Meal, meaty, hamburger-like. It contains real meat meal, fortified with every vitamin and mineral, every nutrient known to be essential to dog health. Yes, new Quick Kennel Meal is more nourishing than fresh raw meat alone, at much lower cost. Next meal time, send out those strong meat signals dogs just can't resist. Serve up meaty, hamburger-like Quick Kennel Meal.